Osteopathy offers an array of different techniques which can help patients to manage and cure painful symptoms and chronic conditions. We've helped hundreds of patients who suffer from neck, back pain, sciatica and sports injuries by using a range of different hands-on techniques. When a new patient comes in, we give them a full medical assessment. This enables me to identify and isolate the areas causing the problem. We'll get the patient to stand so that we can test their movements and get a full understanding of the type of things that trigger their pain. Once this is done, I can begin a range of different treatments such as massage, trigger point therapy, joint manipulations, or stretching.
I've been coming to see Barry for many years now. He's treated me through my training as well as my professional career. It's really important as a dancer and performer that my physical condition is at its best at all times, and Barry's really helped me to do that.
If you'd like to learn more about the moving body or book a consultation, please visit our website or follow us on social media. We would love to hear from you.